Hi there, Nancy here. I was on a Zoom call several weeks ago with fundraisers and noticed a common theme in our discussion. Some of those on the call were in new positions and trying to get their footing at their organization, while others were new to fundraising altogether. In either situation, they were grappling with similar challenges. Here's what we discussed: how to find major donors, how to get to know them and form meaningful relationships, how to know when is the appropriate time to make the ask, know exactly what words to use and when to ask for money, understand how much to ask the donor for money so they don't get insulted or pushed away, know when to move a mid-level donor to a major donor, know what to do when the community is not even aware of your nonprofit, and finally, stop with the administrative task long enough to get to know donors from your Dream 100 list. Does any of this sound familiar? These are the type of questions we answer each week when you join me for 8 weeks of group coaching and your ultimate guide to major gift fundraising. These questions are exactly why I created this program. For fundraising leaders like you who want to gain more experience with major gift fundraising in a simplified and uncomplicated way. No matter where you are on your fundraising journey, I bet you want a core understanding, a refresher course, or a new technique of how fundraising works, beyond event fundraising and grant writing. No more uncertainty or overwhelm with major gifts. Just tell me what to do and how to do it. I can help you get focused so you know exactly how to find major donors, feel confident when talking with major donors, know what to say and how to say it when asking for a gift, have a proven fundraising plan in place and a track to run on, feel less scattered and overwhelmed when you sit down at your desk each day. Well, here's the deal. In this program, you not only get a roadmap, you get your questions answered. You will be joined with others on a private platform and in weekly group coaching sessions. Best of all, you have Q&A time with me that ensures you get all the support you need. Skip the mistakes and frustrations. It's time to know what works and what doesn't in major gift fundraising. The doors to 8 weeks of group coaching and your ultimate guide to major gift fundraising are now open, but for a short time. So if you want to learn a simplified way to raise money through major gifts, get registered today. But hurry, don't let the doors close on you. I look forward to having you inside the program and a part of the conversation each week. See you inside the program.